Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Video footage shows moments a Nigerian pastor is caught picking human feces. A video has surfaced online of an unidentified cleric was caught red-handed picking up human feces in the bush in southwest Nigeria. In the now viral video, the man dressed in a brown-colored native attire was on one knee down, holding up a black polythene bag and trying to explain himself to the crowd. When questioned, the man, who is supposedly a pastor, first claimed he wanted to use the feces for an experiment before stating that he needed it as a fertilizer. When asked why he didn't use that of his children or church members, he said members are no longer coming to church at this time. However, after one of the residents pointed out that he could have used the feces his members excreted before now, the pastor defended himself by saying he never needed it but needs it now.
You can use it as fertilizer and some other things.
Fertilizer, some other things, like ritual.
Nǹkan tó tá máa mú ilẹ̀ jí, nǹkan tó máa mú ilẹ̀ jí, tí a bá gbin nǹkan síbẹ̀.
Ilé fẹ́ lu ìgbẹ́ onígbẹ́ fún. So ìwọ̀nba ilé ilẹ̀ á fẹ́ lò láti fi.
Mo ò jẹ́ kí n kó tán lè tí.
Ẹ fẹ́ kó ìfẹ́ tó pọ̀ gan-an.
Mo fẹ́ kó ilé tó pọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n mo ò jẹ́ kí n kó.
Kí lẹ korúkọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí náà? Celestial Church of Christ. Tí mo kéde Paris yìí.
Open windows of heaven.
Open windows of heaven.